Here in Reston, celebrating Dr. King's birthday has always been a matter of recommitting ourselves to the founding values of our community and to the ideals for which Dr. King gave his life. We celebrate Dr. King not just with events that celebrate aspects of African American life, but also with service. Service is a core component of the weekend celebration and something we try to carry throughout the year. So we have activities geared toward volunteer service. We have commemorative celebrations of the music and culture and background of the civil rights movement. We always have a keynote speaker to conclude with on Monday, and following the speaker's presentation, we gather together for a community lunch. And that really gives us an opportunity to do two things. One, we celebrate in fellowship with each other, but it also gives us the inspiration to carry forward into the year ahead.
There's some really important things that we need to remember. In particular, this day is one where we need to think about and recognize where we've come from, and where we're going. So I think, in taking a look back at the last 20 years when Kathy was the 100 Mill supervisor, I think that's a good start. What she did to champion affordable housing, what she did to champion those who don't always show up at our public hearings, to think about people that actually aren't first in line, the people that have two jobs, the people that really have to take care of other things in their life and do not have the opportunity and the chance to participate in public like the rest of us do. That is something I think as a community we can be very proud on. It's certainly a tradition that I look forward to continuing.
Dr. King says he has a dream. Our dream should be the same dream, to move Fairfax County forward. We are involved in our strategic planning process. We are shaping the future together. And I hope each and every one of you understand that what was said in the 60s is still happening in 2020.